the alarm, new note, keep it light and warm. The dangling D is hanging from the first line. Oh my, not on the staff or reassign. Combine the left hand, looking like a G. Add the right hand, press the fingers tighter. 1, 2, 3, E-I-E-I-O. Now you know with the flow, the D note sounds below. You are sounding like a recorder pro. Get on with the show, don't overblow the pentatonic notes. B-A-G-E-N-D. Come on, let's go. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some chicks. E-I-E-I-O. Chick, chick here and chick, chick there. Here and chick, there and chick, everywhere a chick, chick. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. It's about that time. Time for some farming. Farming for music notes, of course. Help old MacDonald farm his land by identifying the note, then performing the note and rhythm on the recorder. You will see the pattern to perform that only has one of our 5 G pentatonic notes. Wait, what does pentatonic mean? Well, the word penta means 5, and the 5 notes that are found in the G pentatonic scale are B, A, G, E, and the newest note D. Cool! The note and rhythmic pattern will be displayed and a countdown will occur. In a mezzo forte voice, that means medium loud voice in music talk, say the letter that you see, and while you are saying the letter, get your fingers in the correct position on your recorder to get ready to perform. Are you ready? Here we go! Which notes do you see? 3, 2, 1, G! Play the G along with the rhythmic flow. 1, 2, ready, go! Jam along with the music, come on, and keep the beat strong. Get old MacDonald rockin' all day. 1, 2, ready, play. MacDonald had
radio.